In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Morning Brew style newsletter using Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Creating a newsletter in the vein of Morning Brew is a fantastic way to share curated content with your audience, and Beehiiv is a powerful platform to help you do just that. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create your account on Beehiiv. Head over to their website and click on the Start for Free button. You'll be asked to enter some basic information like your email and a password. Once you fill that out, you'll be on your way to setting up your very own newsletter. Once your account is set up and you're logged in, the next step is to create a new newsletter. You'll find an option to Create Newsletter right on your dashboard. Click on this and you'll be prompted to give your newsletter a name. Going with something catchy and memorable is key. Think about how Morning Brew is short and snappy. After naming your newsletter, you'll want to customize your settings. Here's where you can really begin to create a vibe similar to Morning Brew. In the settings, you can add a logo and customize the color scheme. Morning Brew often uses bright, engaging colors and graphics, so selecting a vibrant color palette that aligns with your brand identity will help set the tone. Now onto the design aspect of your newsletter. Beehiiv has fantastic templates you can work with, but for a Morning Brew style, you'll want to focus on clean lines and easy-to-read sections. Make sure your layout allows for interesting headlines, along with snippets of information that readers can quickly scan through. This is essential in mimicking that engaging feel of a daily briefing. As we move forward, it's important to think about your content strategy. Morning Brew is known for its digestible yet informative articles, so gather links to interesting news articles and content relevant to your audience. You can start by curating headlines from various sectors such as business, technology, and current events. A cool tip here is to summarize the main points of each article and present these snippets in a way that's easily digestible. Think short and snappy paragraphs that compel them to click for more. Next, don't forget to incorporate engaging visuals. Embedding images, charts, or even infographics can help break up the text and make your newsletter more inviting. Visuals not only enhance understanding, but also keep the reader's attention longer as they scroll through. After you've crafted your content, it's time to set a consistent schedule for sending out your newsletter. Morning Brew comes into your inbox at a predictable time each day, making it easier for readers to anticipate and engage with the content. Choose a frequency that works for you, whether that's daily, weekly, or a few times a month, and stick to it. Now, let's talk about growing your subscriber list. In order for your newsletter to gain traction, you'll want to make signing up as easy as possible. Beehiiv offers tools to create landing pages and referral programs to help draw in new subscribers. Consider promoting your newsletter on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Engage with followers, share snippets of what they can expect, and invite them to subscribe. Once your newsletter is up and running, gather feedback from your readers. This is crucial in understanding what they love about your content and what areas could use improvement. Use surveys or even direct messages to ask for their thoughts. Continuous growth and iteration are essential for the longevity of your newsletter. And there you go. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a vibrant Morning Brew style newsletter using Beehiiv. Remember, the key is to stay engaging, informative, and true to your unique voice. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy newslettering!